First, using only 2 photos, artificial intelligence will create your 3D avatar. After that, our algorithm will analyze your back and create an individual imprint. The result of our efforts will be your personal back care. You will get an incredible feeling that you have never experienced before, even something more than a feeling of relief and comfort. This is nirvana for your back. Here, we cross the boundaries of ergonomics and move to a higher level. And an average seat will become your personal recliner. Yes, it is indeed made for everyone personally. We use the method of large-scale 3D printing. Our high-speed 3D printer is capable of reproducing back care with high accuracy. Forget about back pain and inconvenience. Our back support will provide you with a spot massage and support in any place and any time.